My name is Alexander Karabet and I'm the owner and managing director of Mansions Community Management. Mansions is one of the leading services provider in the Owners Association and Community Management in Dubai. We manage all kind of buildings, mainly jointly owned properties that include multi-component communities, residential, office, commercial, malls, anything you can imagine, anything you can have in Dubai. In terms of the automation, nowadays if you leave your house traveling, we as community managers and asset managers can get an alarm from your premises that you have a leak or your humidity level is too high, or you have your AC suddenly switched off. And we can remotely fix it nowadays. We can turn it on for you, we can play with the parameters and the set points. So automation plays a critical role nowadays in the FM industry and the asset management.